សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube Channel Dara គេសួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube Channel ខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងបន្តរៀននៅវេយ្យាករណ៍ខ្លះជាភាសាខ្មែរអូខេSo welcome to my YouTube guys. So today I'm going to share some of the Khmer grammar and what is the opposite with the English grammar. Okay. So today I'm going to help you learn the nouns and adjectives in Khmer. How to put noun and adjective, how to use it together. Okay. So first I would like to say it in English. So in English you say I have big house. So big house. So you put adjective before noun. So big house. So big is adjective and then house is noun. So you put adjective before noun. And this is in my experience that most people, especially foreigners, when they are learning Khmer, and they find it very difficult, and when they speak it, when they use it in a different opposite, they use it as the same in English, but in Khmer it's opposite. So in Khmer you put nouns and adjective. So instead of big house, we say house big. Okay, house big. So example, the same example. So I have big house in English. In Khmer we say I have house big. ខ្ញុំមានផ្ទះធំ In Khmer, that's how we would say ខ្ញុំមានផ្ទះធំ Learn a few, important adjectives in Khmer. Okay. So after we say big is thom in Khmer, thom, but thom, big is thom. For example with this, I have big house. So ខ្ញុំមាន ផ្ទះធំ Okay, so ខ្ញុំមានផ្ទះធំ Okay. The next one is small. The word small in English, in Khmer we say តូច តូច បាទ តូច okay តូច and the same structure. So I have small house. Okay ខ្ញុំមានផ្ទះតូច so I have house small. Okay ខ្ញុំមានផ្ទះតូច okay. This is the next one is tall. So tall in English and in Khmer we say ខ្ពស់ when you compare about people like he is tall គាត់ខ្ពស់ he is tall គាត់ខ្ពស់ okay. So the opposite of tall is short. When you are talking about people, short is ទៀប okay ទៀប okay ទៀប so she is short, so គាត់ទៀប okay. So it is very interesting to tall, like in English you have tall building. Tall building is a អគារខ្ពស់ អគារខ្ពស់ បាទ you can say អគារទៀប so អគារខ្ពស់ អគារទៀប Sometimes you use short for like clay, like I have a short pen, short pen, បាទ so big clay, you don't say big ទៀប so for measurement the word short is clay. Okay, clay. I hope this help you. Okay. Okay. Other word is a little and a little bit, like you use in English. How would you say in Khmer? So in Khmer it would be the same. A little or a little bit. Ba, tai tai. Ba, tai tai. Please give me a little time. Please give me a little bit more time. So pay tai. So little or a little is tai. So tai tai. Okay, so I hope this short video will help you. So my focus today is how to use adjective and noun. So in English you put adjective plus noun. In Khmer, noun plus adjective. So house big, not big house in Khmer. ផ្ទះធំ or ផ្ទះតូច Okay. So thank you very much guys for your attention, and I hope you enjoy this short video, and I will see you the next video. Bye bye.